Quick garden update here on Grant's Plants, September 11th, 2025. We got a dead dogwood, an overgrown grape, an apple tree that's starting to espalier, cherry tree that's hopefully going to give fruit next year, a fig tree that the rats or birds ate all of the figs except for a couple this year. Blackberries kind of gotten out of control. Marigolds coming in, strawberries have been given, tomatoes just harvested. Persimmons are starting to fall a little bit off the tree. I wonder if it's from irregular watering. The tree's loaded with fruit though. I might have to prune it back so that the limbs don't break. Fig tree is loaded with fruit. Those little bags on there you can see have fruit in them. Just picked a couple of them. Another blackberry, still a few berries here in the back that are yet to ripen. The grape here just loaded with fruit. Some more marigolds and the flower garden. Oop, there's the first cosmos, finally bloomed right there. Sunflowers got big. The grape here is just full of fruit. Fig tree, artichokes successfully transplanted from my other garden, raspberries starting to get established. The back 40 is just kind of exploded with growth this year. Zucchinis, just can't get enough of them. They just, well, I mean, they just keep producing is what I mean to say, is there's lots of them. A wall of beans. Fig trees, lots of fig trees this year. Year of the fig this year, 2025. Really been getting a lot of figs and more fig trees. This wall of beans. Squash like crazy. My first real watermelon. Second crop of sugar snap peas. Marionberry training for next year on this trellis. Training zucchinis on trellis. Tomatoes, haven't really watered them all summer, just harvested yesterday, tons of them. My new Desert King fig tree, which grew nearly 8 feet, probably will be 8 feet by the end of its growing season. It's just a beast. It started way down here. More zucchini coming in. More zucchini. All right, that's all.